Boxycharm came. So are you gonna open it?
Yeah, I'm gonna open the bigger one.
These are all $25 and ooh, Boxycharm Sweet Treats. And it has the names of the products in the back and the price as well. Most of the time it's over $130.
That's a pretty good deal.
Ooh, what did you get there?
So I think this is a palette. Anya eyeshadow palette. Natasha Denona has pretty metallic colors, I would say, and then like a little black. It's very glittery.
That's $48.
That's crazy.
It's twice over this whole Boxycharm. Mine is eyelashes.
Ooh, that's a really weight in there. That is cute.
The
I'm in the
eyelash
market
clip.
for another one. Okay,
This
so
is
the next thing is this iconic baked sculpting lipstick, and it's a metallic color as well.
lipstick.
Let's see.
I got the eyeshadow stick from Molly.
Ooh, this is different. Oh, you can look at the design. It's kind of like a snake skin kind of design on it. Super cool.
I love Molly's eyeshadow sticks because they don't move once it sets. Really good quality. I like it.
This is a body glow illuminator.
Oh my gosh.
Get gleaming like a goddess. This illuminator can be applied to all areas on the face and body, your cheekbones, something like that. If you want a nice sparkly glow, you can put it right here for the summer.
I got the glow as well. Kinder Glow Highlight Palette. Let me see. There's 4 sections. Ah. Wow. I like it.
Ooh. Dang.
Okay.
This is a body cleanser. Retails for $22. It's a pretty big bottle.
This is from Farmacy. Not the Holy Grail, but Honey Grail. I love Farmacy's skincare products. Oh, this is a face oil. Actually,
Oh,
I
I'm
like
gonna
it.
take it.
Actually,
I'm
my
gonna take it.
She has a sister.
This
Same
is
thing. Yay!
Icy Sherbet Primer.
From Touch in Soul. Let me see.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Smells good.
I mean, smells good, and look at the texture. It's like a, what is it? Jello?
Jelly texture.
It's like a,
Ooh, it's cooling, so it's supposed to feel good on your skin.
I understand why they call it primer. It makes a smooth surface, right?
So the great thing about Boxycharm is that you get so many items for $25. Is that correct? That's crazy. Most of these products together total over $100. You can try, and if you like them, you can buy again, which is great.
Ta-da!